In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Microsoft Store balance. Whether you want to confirm a gift card was applied or just see how much credit you have before buying apps, games, or subscriptions, this quick walkthrough will make it clear. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store. You're looking for the official Microsoft Store website, not an ad or a third-party page. A good sign you're in the right place is that the web address includes Microsoft.com and shows a secure padlock icon. Once you see the correct result, click the link to open the Microsoft Store site. If you land on a regional version, that's fine. Your account balance is tied to your Microsoft account and region. Next, look toward the top right corner and choose the option to sign in. Enter the credentials for the Microsoft account you use with the Microsoft Store and Xbox services. If you have more than one account, make sure you pick the one you actually use for purchases. You may be asked to verify your identity with a code. Just follow the prompt and continue. After you're signed in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. This might show your picture or your initials. From the small menu that appears, select View Account. This opens your Microsoft account dashboard in a new page or tab. On the account page, find the section related to payments. Click Payment Options. This is where your saved cards, PayPal accounts, and other payment methods are listed. Right at the top of this page, you'll see Microsoft Account Balance. That number is your available store credit, typically made up of redeemed gift cards, store credit, or promotional balances associated with your account in your current currency. Take a moment to confirm the currency and amount. If you don't see a balance, it usually means there's no credit available, or you might be signed into a different account or region than the one where you redeemed funds. You can switch accounts from the profile menu if needed and check again. Also, keep in mind that balances don't combine across regions, and family or child accounts might show balances differently based on settings. That's it. You've verified your Microsoft Store balance using the website, so you'll know exactly what's available before you check out. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.